Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this tutorial. So this is the look I came up with today. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. I couldn't think this morning because I woke up with the worst headache. And I don't know if it was because I had 2 drinks last night. This is what my life is like now. I drink 2 drinks and I wake up the next day with a headache. When did that happen? I used to be able to drink so much and be fine, but that went downhill pretty quick. So that's why I don't really drink anymore because of that. But I was at an event last night and then I had 2 drinks and yeah, I'm kind of hungover today. Anyway, I managed to pull it together and film this look. So I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. And if you want to see how I do this whole look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking my clearly not socked. I'm taking my soft ochre paint pot from MAC and I'm just using this as my eye base. And then going in with the Venus XL palette from Lime Crime. Taking the first shade called Idolized and we're just going to start by building this up in the crease. So I go in with this shade probably like 2 or 3 times just to kind of really intensify the shade and just build it up bit by bit. And now I'm going in with this shade called Flora. So it's this like really like vibrant, peachy, corally kind of colour. I'm not really sure how to describe this colour, but it looks good. So I'm going into the crease with this and just probably, I think I went in with this about like 2 or 3 times as well, just to really build up the colour. And then I like to go back and forth with my different brushes as usual just to kind of blend the colours into each other. Now I'm taking this dark purple shade. This shade I wasn't really too keen on. It kind of went a little bit patchy. I'm not sure if it was the shadows underneath that did it, but it just didn't really work too well. Such a cutie. So I went in with one of the powder pigments from Makeup Geek, because they have a really high pigment to them, so I just went over the purple with that. They're very similar shades, so that's why I picked that one. And then I take the Flora shade again and I'm going over the lid with this and just blending this into the purple. And now I'm just gonna add a wing because I feel like it's been a while since I did a wing, so we went with a wing with this look. So I'm just using a makeup wipe then just to tidy underneath the eye and sharpen the wing a little bit. I'm using my La Mer moisturizer. This is just a new moisturizer I've been trying out lately and so far so good. I really like it. It's nice and light on the skin and it's also really hydrating. Now I'm taking my Hourglass Veil Primer. So we're just putting this on too. And then in with my fave. This is the Lawless Foundation. This is, oh I forget the name. I will link it below. It's Saranara or so I forget. It was something with an S, but I'll link the name below. And now I'm taking my Born This Way concealer, which I'm living for. It's so good. I love it. And this is the shade Almond that I use to highlight. So it has a really good coverage and it blends really nice. So this is a contender with Shape Tape right now. I'm going to take a darker shade. This one is called Honey. So I'm just going to use this to contour my cheekbones. And I'm going to set all this using my Hourglass powder. So because this foundation is a little bit more on the dewier side, I do use a little bit more powder just so it doesn't look too oily on the skin. But this Hourglass foundation is great for putting on all over because, as I said so many times, it has that really nice satiny finish to the skin so it doesn't look too dry. And now I'm taking this bronzer from MAC. I'm not sure what collection this bronzer is from, but it's really good. It has like a nice warm tone, but it's not too orange. Now back to the eyes, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs pencil and I'm going right underneath the lash line with this, and then we're going to blend it out with a small pencil brush. And then back in to the shade Flora just to buff that out. And the shade of the pencil I used is called Brownie. And then I'm taking my I'm Peachless from Makeup Geek. This just is a really like high shine shadow, but it has like that peachy orangey shimmer to it, which goes really nice with these other eyeshadow colours that I'm after using. And then just to do my lashes, I'm using my Marc Jacobs mascara. And I am popping on some Lily lashes. These ones are the style Ella. Back to finish the skin, I am taking my Style blush from MAC. So we're just going to use a little bit of this just on the apples of the cheeks. Now I'm taking this Makeup Forever highlighter. I think it's the shade number 2, but I'll link the exact one below. So I'm using that to highlight pretty much everywhere. For my lips, I'm taking a Whirl pencil from MAC. So I'm using this then just to line the lips. And then I'm taking this MAC lipstick. It's from the same collection as the bronzer. I again forget the name, but I'll link it below. It just has that really nice creamy nude shade, which I live for. And then just to add a little bit more gloss, I'm taking this butter gloss from NYX. It's called Fortune Cookie, just to put it on top. These glosses are extra creamy. They're so good. So this is it. This is the finished look. Pretty happy with how it came out. I really like this corally, orangey, fire colour. I don't even know what to describe this colour as, but I like it. If you have any ideas for different colours, different combos, different videos, like anything that you want to see me do, please let me know, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. Sometimes I have 5 million ideas, and then sometimes I have no ideas, and it's so hard when I have no ideas to try and like get motivated to film. So if you have any suggestions or any ideas, please let me know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.